At specific times in people's life, whether they're upsizing to a bigger home, whether they need to find a home because they have a parent that needs to be taken care of, it's an honor to be able to help every single client.
I was licensed in 2008, and me getting my real estate license was really born out of frustration with my prior career.
DJ and I started out in sales. We had a couple stints in both legal and marketing, and eventually made our way into medical sales. Our training was phenomenal. But over time, we realized that although we loved the sales side of it, we weren't passionate about what we were selling.
I have a background in construction. I now know how to sell. What can I do that I can take advantage of both these skills and eventually grow myself into a career?
At Tenhoeve Advisory, we are curating individuals who are like the Navy SEALs of real estate.
I love taking agents who've never been in real estate and never sold anything before and training them and molding them. Once they master the skill set, to then be able to find their own way of doing it, and then that's truly when they take off.
At Tenhoeve Advisory, we strive to be better, to learn more, to excel at our craft.
The pinnacle of my career is making sure that although it might have been an easy layup sale for me, it was a bad financial decision, and we stopped somebody from making a mistake, and they understood that and appreciate the advice and the guidance we're giving them.
At the end of the day, we hope that they're going to say to their neighbor, their best friend, their parent, "This was such a great experience."
We are so concerned with making sure that we do this business with integrity that is why I believe we have the reputation we do, which is that we do the right thing all the time. Whatever obstacles are in the way, and usually that biggest obstacle is you, your mindset, or something subconsciously that's getting in the way of what you want to accomplish, our goal is to get you there.
We're not just real estate agents. We are advisors. We are guidance counselors. We're psychotherapists. We're friends.